Hello friend, welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Brand new customer with this beautiful 2002 Toyota 4Runner 4-wheel drive Sport Edition. Super lovely, it has a special interior, seats are different, the rims are different. It's a new customer. So I will be doing a lot of work on it, but what I want to share with you, you don't see every day, and that's why I'm inviting you for a few minutes just to check this out. So the main thing is the Bose rear axle seals failed. They completely failed. The inner seal supposed to be holding the gear oil inside of the axle and in the rear diff, and they failed on both sides. This damage is made by me pulling it out. It didn't look like that previously, but it was flooded with the oil. You can see inside of the tube. Look at it. Oh yeah, look at it. This is lovely. So I'm working on this. There's absolutely no way I can film this for you because, for example, that gear oil was leaking so long. Everything is absolutely wrapped in that oil. I'm using degreasers. I already sprayed one can on it. That drum, everything is absolutely nasty, sticky, dirty. It's a nightmare. This is a nightmare job. There's no way I can, from being so dirty with my gloves holding somewhere this camcorder. But look all that. This was happening for a very, very long time. This is all sticky. Also signs of improper work being done in past. Somebody was removing this drum. It didn't want to go, so they were prying on this backing plate. All of you know, no way you will ever pry on these areas. You have to use those special bolts which are coming here, and you basically, there is a thread and you are pushing against this hub with those bolts coming in, and that pops the drum towards to you. But look what is in front of me. Please say you will take pity on me. This is absolute nightmare, I'm telling you. I probably overscheduled myself today because I want to do also valve cover gaskets, which are so stinking. When she came, you could smell it from a couple of feet from the car. The leak is so bad, oil leak is so bad. So I will be doing that later, but this is my beginning. Now, another point for you. These brake shoes are perfectly thick. They are basically totally fine, except they cannot be reused. No way. You have to replace it because they are completely soaked in that gear oil. So another hint for you, if this ever happens, normally it happens just on one side. She actually told me it's a one side. That's why I said, oh, I can do multiple services today because there will be one axle seal, and then I will move on. I will change the differential oil because I don't know what shape it is, and I will then move in the engine area on the valve cover gaskets. So again, you can see how it's all soaked, it's wet. I cannot reuse it. I have a new parts ready. So this is the life of mechanics. Sometimes this is that unpleasant job, super annoying, because even that special degreaser has a hard time with it. Now I'm giving you a hint here, and that's what I was waiting for you. I want to show you one more thing. I want to probably show you the dirtiest differential oil ever. Let's go and see together. I know I'm acting like a little crying baby in this video, but man, you should see that process. So obviously the filler plug was removed already, so you don't need to worry about it, that I will drain it and not able to fill it. It's already nice. But I'm expecting some horror coming out of it. I want to share it with you. What you will say? Maybe you will say, Peter, we feel sorry for you, or we don't feel sorry for you. That's normal. Look at that. Look at that. Oh my goodness. It's basically mud. That stupid phone will not stop ringing. Can somebody go and answer it? Look at that. Look at that. Unbelievable. There's a lot of on the magnet. Obviously. Oh my goodness. A lot of micro shavings and kind of mud. So this wasn't serviced for a long time either. Unbelievable. Start feeling more bad for the 4Runner than for myself. That was definitely neglected for a long time. This almost feels to me that I should even flush this rear diff. That just filling it up is not enough. There still will be residue from this mud, or is it rust? And I should fill it up, go for a drive, then drain it one more time and do the last fill or second fill to keep this whole back healthy. And there's more stuff. It's a new customer, so she was told by the tire company she has those leaks, but when she came, the lug nut was missing. And this stud, I tried to rethread it, which you can see on it. But you know what? Being perfectionist, I don't like that. I will just bang it out. It's damaged in the beginning, so we want to have it perfect. So I will also replace this stud for her, and that puts me in my schedule really behind all these details. But we take care of our customers, and we want to see all 6 lug nuts on the truck. And these are the unfortunate situations when I have my own problems here. You can see how everything's dirty, so there's no chance to film any footage for you, but I just try this really quick walk around to show you if you don't maintain your vehicles properly, then they are in really bad shape. But new customer, have a hope we will take care of this baby. I think it's a beautiful 4Runner, super cool, and she will be happy again. So thank you for watching, and please subscribe. I have way more coming your way soon. See you later, my friend.